So for today's video guys, meron tayong isang website na kakalabas pa lang and ang pangalan ng platform is Rock Nation. So all you have to do is to create an account here. Ilalagay niyo po yung mobile number niyo, mag-create kayo ng password, gagayahin niyo po yung CAPTCHA, and also mag-create kayo ng withdrawal password, and then click niyo po yung sign up. So ito po yung homepage nila. Meron sila ditong mga products na kapangalan ng mga singer. So meron sila ditong si Rihanna, Meghan Trainor, John Asher. So ito yung mga pangalan ng mga singer kung saan fini-feature nila dito yung mga music. Dito sa platform na to guys, it's the same way dun sa ibang mga projects kung saan once na mag-avail ka dito sa mga to ay magkakaroon kayo ng daily profit. So for example dito guys, sa 500 pesos worth, pwede kang kumita ng 110 daily. That is good for 500 days. So ang pinakamatagal na investment cycle for this project is 500 days. So makikita niyo po dito yung mga iba't ibang pangalan ng mga singer. And then also meron din silang sports. So pipiliin niyo lang dito guys kung alin yung gusto niyo i-avail. Meron din po sila ditong sports. So makita natin dito yung mga basketball player, mga pangalan ng basketball player kung saan kita kayo ng passive income. So piliin nyo lang dito guys. And by the way, this is not a financial advice. So kayo po ang magde-decide kung papasok kayo dito or hindi. So it's really up to you kung magi-invest po kayo dito. So ito yung mga sports, and also if wala po kayong pang-invest, you can also earn for free kung mahilig kayong mag-invite. Kasi dito sa project na to, meron silang commission na ibibigay once na makapag-refer kayo. So for level 1, you will get 26% commission. So pwedeng hindi kayo mag-invest dito guys. And pagdating naman sa withdrawal, GCash po yung mode of payout dito. All you have to do is to bind in your GCash account, GCash number. Ayan, so ibabind in ko yung aking GCash account para makapag-withdraw. Ayan, so same way no kung paano tayo kumikita sa mga ibang projects like Fidelity, ganun din po dito. So ang kaibahan dito is yung pangalan ng mga projects na binibenta nila. And yung maturity period is longer than 1 month or 2 months kasi parang isang taon, more than 1 year yung kanilang maturity dito. So ibig sabihin long term talaga itong project na to kasi makikita natin yan sa maturity period. And also if meron po kayong questions, you can contact the customer service. So ito po yung customer service nila, you can contact them kung meron po kayong problema pagdating sa withdrawal. So again, meron tayo ditong pagpipilian. Ang pinaka lowest dito guys is 150 pesos kung saan kikita kayo ng 30 pesos a day. And when it comes sa withdrawal guys, again, mode of payout dito is GCash. All you have to do is to input the amount you want to withdraw, then yung withdrawal password, then click nyo po yung bank card ninyo. If hindi pa kayo nakapag-bind in ang inyong bank card or GCash, ilalagay nyo po muna yung inyong GCash name or GCash number para makapag-successfully withdraw kayo dito guys sa Rock Nation. Ayan, submitted, and select niyo po yung inyong GCash. Once na bind na yan, and then ilalagay niyo po yung amount kung magkano yung gusto niyo pong withdrawin. Ayan, so select niyo po yung GCash, and then confirm and submit. And after niyo mabind in yan, pwede na kayo mag-withdraw dito anytime kasi naka-bind in na yung inyong GCash. So, ilalagay nyo po yung amount na gusto nating withdrawin. Tapos, ayan, nagwi-withdraw tayo ng 1,520 pesos.
1 second later.
After 1 minute, na-receive kagad natin dito guys sa aking GCash yung 1,520. So, ibig sabihin, walang kaltas pagdating sa withdrawal. Ang kagandahan dito guys, 24/7, pwede kayong mag-withdraw dito. So, no minimum withdrawal and you can withdraw anytime. So that's it about this video guys. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Happy earnings and God bless.